Alright, I'd like to welcome you back to the WordPress Basics videos. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that we can set up our menus on this site, or our menu on this site. This particular site has one area for a menu, and it's right here. And if you don't do anything at all, okay, every time that you add a new page, like if we go to Pages and we just go add a new page, we name this one more test page. Okay. And if we publish this, when we go refresh this page, you're going to see that it's added one more test page, okay, to this menu. But what if we wanted to change the way that our menus looked? What if we didn't want all those pages? Well, what we can do is we just go over to Appearance and then Menus, okay? And the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a menu name. So we're going to create a menu, call it Custom Menu. We're going to create the menu over here on the right. And then what we have to do is, as you can see, this particular theme, it supports one menu. So what we need to do is we need to tell WordPress that we want to use this custom menu. So now if I go ahead and click Save here, okay, we have a new custom menu. We've assigned the theme this menu, but we don't have any pages on there. So you can see if we reload this page, no menu is going to show up. Okay, what we need to do now is we want to go and add our pages. So I'm going to decide I want to select all and add to the menu. You can see when I do that, it's going to move these pages over here, and there's going to be drop-down menus. What I can do, and what is really cool, because first let me save this so I can show you where everything is. Okay, you can see the menu showed back added to it, but what if I wanted to change things? What if I didn't want the whole title there? That's what's neat about the menus. Instead of having it say, you know, one more test page, I can shorten that. I can just make it a test page. Okay? And this new test page, I can just write new test if I wanted to. Right? And I can save it. And then you'll see when I refresh, you can see that those have now changed. Now, the other thing that I can do, in something that's very, very neat, is I can change around the order. Like if I want this lose weight to be the very first menu item, all I need to do is grab onto it and rearrange it. And then when I click Save Menu, you're going to see that lose weight is now there in the first spot. Okay, I can even add, I can add anything that I want. I can add these custom links over to the menu. And the thing that you want to make sure that you do, okay, is you want to make sure that you save that menu. Okay, anytime you make a change, make sure that you go save it. I can even add categories to the menu. Like I could add this category here. I'll just click Add to Menu, Weight Loss Tips, and make sure I save it. And then you can see when I refresh this page, that's now shown up as a menu item. So that's basically how you use menus. You can do a lot with the menus. Like I said, standard most of the time, if you're not going to do anything, what it's going to do is it's going to make all of your pages, show up on the menu. But if you want to change things around, that's how you do it. It's right under Appearance and then to Menus. And usually, if you're using a modern theme like this one is, it's going to tell you when things can and can't be used. All right? So I hope this helps. And thanks again for watching these WordPress Basics videos.